Discover the names, stunning colors, and amazing facts of coral reef species from around the world in this video. Staghorn coral. Fast-growing branching coral that creates complex reef structures and provides essential shelter for reef fish. Brain coral. Famous for its maze-like surface pattern, this long-lived coral can survive for hundreds of years. Fire coral. Despite its coral-like appearance, this species is actually a hydrozoan that delivers a painful sting. Pillar coral. One of the few corals that grow upward in thick columns rather than spreading outward. Elkhorn coral. Known for its thick antler-shaped branches, this coral forms massive reef frameworks in shallow tropical waters. Star coral. A dominant reef-building coral recognized by its star-shaped polyp patterns. Bubble coral. Inflated bubble-like polyps expand during the day, giving it a soft and delicate appearance. Hammer coral. Named for its hammer-shaped tentacles that sway beautifully in ocean currents. Torch coral. Long flowing tentacles create a glowing effect, making it popular in reef aquariums. Mushroom coral. A hardy coral that can survive in low-light conditions and regenerate from fragments. Plate coral. Grows in wide flat layers that efficiently capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Sun coral. A non-photosynthetic coral that feeds entirely on plankton and opens mainly at night. Tree coral. Soft coral with branching arms that resemble underwater trees. Leather coral. Flexible texture allows it to bend with currents without breaking. Finger coral. Thick finger-like branches create hiding spaces for small marine animals. Cauliflower coral. Compact rounded shape resembles cauliflower florets. Cup coral. Solitary coral with a cup-shaped skeleton often found attached to rocky surfaces. Maze coral. Similar to brain coral but forms tighter winding ridges. Flowerpot coral. Long tentacles extend outward, resembling a bouquet of flowers. Organ pipe coral. Skeleton forms vertical red tubes that look like organ pipes. Goniopora coral. Features dozens of long waving tentacles per polyp, creating a soft appearance. Montipora coral. Extremely diverse coral genus that grows in plates, branches, or encrusting forms. Acropora coral. One of the most important reef-building corals worldwide. Zoanthid coral. Forms colorful carpet-like colonies across reef surfaces. Candy cane coral. Rounded polyps resemble candy pieces and glow under blue light. Pagoda coral. Layered structure gives it a stepped, temple-like shape. Chalice coral. Deep cup-shaped surface with bright contrasting colors. Button coral. Small button-like polyps cluster tightly together. Pipe organ coral. Soft polyps emerge from rigid tube-like skeletons. Scroll coral. Grows in rolled sheets that resemble underwater scrolls. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Info Million.